Why create a guest Wi-Fi network?
A guest Wi-Fi network lets visitors access the internet without exposing your personal devices and files. By providing a separate network for guests, you protect your main network from accidental malware, privacy breaches, or unauthorized changes. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain security and offer hospitality at the same time.
Step 1. Access your router settings.
Start by connecting to your Wi-Fi and opening a web browser. Enter your router's IP address, commonly something like 192.168.1.1, into the address bar. Log in with your admin username and password, found on your router label or manual. This gives you access to all the settings needed to set up a guest network.
Step 2. Find the guest network option.
Look for the guest network or wireless settings section in your router's menu. The exact name may vary, but most modern routers have a specific option for guest Wi-Fi. If you can't find it, check your router's user manual or support website for precise instructions.
Step 3. Configure and secure the guest network.
Enable the guest network and give it a unique name different from your main network. Set a strong password to prevent unauthorized access and use WPA2 or WPA3 security if available. You can also restrict guest access to your local network, allowing only internet use for added safety.
Step 4. Save settings and connect devices.
After setting up, save your changes and restart your router if needed. Share the guest Wi-Fi name and password with your visitors. Their devices will connect only to the guest network, keeping your main devices and files private and secure while still providing easy internet access.
Benefits of a guest Wi-Fi network.
A separate guest network enhances both security and convenience. It helps protect your personal data, prevents network congestion from many devices, and can even provide you with controls over guest access. Creating one is an easy upgrade that brings peace of mind when visitors need to get online.